In today's video, first off, I'm not sure if I'm going to post this, but I decided to make it anyway. So what I've got here is a wide table for my sewing machine, and I wanted to do an unboxing. So let's do that now. This isn't really going to be long, by the way. It's quite actually short. So all I have to do is go like that. Ooh, this has actually got some weight to it. So if I take it out of its plastic, oh, that's interesting. Didn't notice this before, but you can adjust these because they're held in with a screw. Ah, so it has a locking mechanism on it. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, well, that's actually a little bit more impressive than I thought it was going to be. The person who I bought this, when I was at the shop and purchased this, I was told that it just gently sits in there, and it's got a locking mechanism on it. Now I wonder what this is for. Looks like a cable or something. Now, anyway, this was a quick unboxing because there's not much to it. Alright, so I figured I might try to put this whole thing together on camera just to see how it goes, because I'm like, yeah. Alright, so as I understand, I need to remove the current base. So an example of the size. Alright, so we can work in centimeters with here. So off the bat I have about 15.5 centimeters of working space, and this would give me 27 and a quarter, sorry, which is a it's a bit more. So if I understand this correctly, I first got to remove this, which is my accessory case. Just bring that there. Okay. It's actually not as wide as I thought it was going to be. So that doesn't feel like it's going to fall off in a bit. It is moving around a bit. So that latch I'll try to take a photo of this. So what you're looking at controls the level of the feed dogs. If you're interested in sewing things like buttons or, I don't know, bleh, what this will allow you to do is retract the feet, which make it easier. Alright, so overall, without using it and as a first impression, Okay, so you can adjust this thing, which is great, and you can keep it sort of stable. Yeah, it's good. I like it. Yeah. Wish I had this thing a year or so ago. Oh well. I'll call the video again. Thanks for watching. Yibba jibba. Blah. Yibba jibba.